Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create a database in PostgreSQL servers. The process is same on Windows and Linux operating systems, even Mac also. We are going to create database by using PSQL client and PgAdmin. First connect to PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. See, I am on PSQL client. First verify list of databases. See here, these are the list of the databases. Okay, even if you go to PgAdmin, expand databases, see here we have these databases. Here it is not showing this template 0 and template 1. Okay, so to create new database, use the command create database bank. If you want to provide owner, give the owner, but you don't know owner name, so verify list of users. See here I have these two users, so give this. Suppose if you want to give James as owner, create database bank owner James, put semicolon at the end. We have successfully created. Also notice here, for all these databases owner is Postgres, but if you run \l, see, for bank owner is James, but for remaining owner is Postgres. Okay, also we can get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database, put semicolon. See here we have the bank database. So here if you want to see that, right click on databases, refresh. See, new database bank is. Now if you want to see the properties of this database, right click on database, go to properties. See here, this is the owner name, definition. See here, table space and other information. Security, if you want to grant any privileges, you have to click on privilege for this plus button, and you have to grant, you have to select the grantee, that is the user, then select the privileges, then grantor is Postgres, so you have to click on save. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now create a database from the PgAdmin. Right click on databases, then select database, or right click on any database and select create, then select database. Both are fine. So select database, then provide the database name. PgAdmin DB, just showing you how to create, and select the owner. See here we have these two users only. Select as James as owner, then definition. If you want to select the table space, you can see I have only one table space. If you have multiple, you can select from this list. Okay, if you want to grant privileges, you have to select here, and parameter nothing, advanced also nothing. Okay, see, this is the syntax. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then you have to click on save. See, new database is populated. Now even if you go to PSQL client, again run the \l, see here we have the PgAdmin DB. Okay, if you want to switch to this new database, that is bank, give the \c or \connect, both are same, then give the database name, put semicolon. See, you are now connected to the database bank as user Postgres. If you want to create a table in this database, first verify list of tables, \dt. See, this is a fresh database, so we don't have any tables, so we can create tables like create table just I am showing you how to create a table. See, new table is there. Even if you go to dt, here it is there. But here if you go to schemas, public, then tables, see here we have the cust table. Okay, if you want to see the columns, see here we have the column names. Okay, if you want to see the definition of this table, right click on it, then script, create script. See, this is the script that we use it to create a database. Okay, you can also create from here also. Right click on tables, create, then table. Here we have to provide the name tt, then we have to define the column names. We have to click on, for each column we have to click on this plus button, provide column name, data type, length, and null and primary key and default values. Okay, then we have to click on save. This is the way to create a table in PostgreSQL database from the PgAdmin, but from PSQL client this is the way. Okay, the last option that I am going to show you is how to drop a database from the PostgreSQL. So to drop a database, go to PSQL, so \l, suppose if I want to drop this pg underscore admin db, just give drop database pg underscore admin db, put semicolon. See, we are unable to drop because here I have opened a session. See, there is a one session, so instead of that, drop the test db, drop database. You can drop this database after killing the session. Okay, so drop database test db, put semicolon. Okay, so right click on this one, disconnect from the server, click on S. Now try the same command. See, database dropped. Okay, now verify \n. See, the test db is gone. Even if you connect here, connect server, see, the test db is gone. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create a database in PostgreSQL server. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.